Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. We just came back from a haul. We're inside our enclosed trailer, and I've been kind of biting the bit to do one of these vehicles. So this is pretty rare. This is a Factory 5 racing car, and this is based on the Shelby race car. This is the 65 Coupe. So the client, father and son, bought the kit. There's a couple of different versions with Factory 5 Racing. One is you can use a donor car for a lot of used parts, or you can go brand new and basically click away and get new engine, driveline, rear end. It's a really nice frame that Factory 5 engineers. So we really like the structure, the cage, the frame, and the steering components on it, and it's a kit form. So father and son did the chassis and set the body on, and then it becomes very, very tricky from, in my opinion, from this point on, because it's the attention to detail. It's the body work, and when we get the car out of the trailer, we'll share with you a little closer, because it has all the different bonding strips, or the sections where they basically glue pieces of the car together. So this front nose is just resting on it. It's actually separate. Believe it or not, we have duct tape just kind of holding it on for the transportation. So it's going to require quite a bit of work. And all of the panels on a Factory 5 car, in terms of body panels, are oversized. So, for example, you can't just take a door, and we've got them here on the floor. You can't just take a door and slide them into the hinges, adjust them, and bolt them up and shut them. All the dimensions of it are larger intentionally from Factory 5, so that you can measure, trim, cut, and make them fit correctly. So these are a molded fiberglass body and components. So basically you can see we have some boxes here. Our client was really well organized, and they come very well organized from Factory 5. So they're labeled, and then he's gone ahead and he's written some of the contents on all the boxes. And then the nose, as I mentioned, we just kind of set it on, and then we have the glass and stuff in the back all wrapped up. We've got our doors, which are separate, and then, like I said, this is just kind of resting on. But these are a phenomenal kit or tribute car. I love the style of car. So this is the 65 Coupe. So what we'll do is we'll just break away, and we'll go to the back, and we'll just show you what the back looks like while it's in the trailer, because this is more just, this is what's going to be coming up in the very near future. So we'll just cut away now, and we'll go to the back of the trailer. Okay, so now we're at the back of this Factory 5 car in our enclosed trailer. And once again, you get an idea of the overall style, and we really like this. This body style. So there's still lots of assembly work to do. The body is just resting on the chassis. The client these are supplied headlights from Factory 5, and they're an LED, and we've got some ideas where, because we want more of a tribute car, we're probably going to do incandescent bulb, more of the original style that Shelby would have done for the race car. And there's vents that go in here in the sides, the mesh vents on either side. There's a wing that goes on the back, and then hopefully you can see there's enough lighting. It's got the really nice safety roll bar, and then when you go through, something that's quite unique and different, what the clients have done, instead of having just full aluminum face, the client had a friend who works with wood a lot, and that's a beautiful wood veneer. So he's got a wood veneer face on the aluminum supplied dash, and then he's got that same wood grain in the center console. So it's not going to be fully true to the race car style, where it's all just exposed aluminum tin with the rivets exposed, and more of a race car kind of thing. We're going to just kind of slick it up or smooth it down a little bit. It's going to be more of a fun driver, obviously street legal, and we want to have it a little more comfortable. So this car is equipped they've added the air conditioning. Not all of it's installed yet. They've got the nice wooden wheel, and then we've got the nice racing seats and all that kind of fun stuff. So just wanted to show you not only the front but the back of the car, and then we wrapped the glass, and we've got our big Spider-Man blanket wrapping up the back glass, which is nice because here in Canada we're not permitted to have any plexiglass windows. They have to be safety glass. And our client, when he purchased this kit, we've got the correct rear glass window and the glass front windshield. This kit does not come with side windows, but it's something we're going to kind of experiment with, I think. So we've got everything safely kind of wrapped up. So we just pulled in the laneway, and we just thought we would do just a little bit of a teaser video showing you it's another upcoming project here. We're really lucky here at Last Chance Auto Restore to get some really nice and variety of different cars to keep everybody's interest up, kind of thing. So this is a Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.